Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today I'll be doing a little barbecue outside and everything. I'll be grilling some eggplant today. As you see, they're on the grill looking nice and good. Nice and good and everything. I'm going to grill these and then fry them and everything. Get them nice and good. Also, I'll be doing some tri-tip and I'll be doing some hot dogs and everything. Barbecuing outside because it's a hot day. They're too hot to be cooking in the kitchen, so one little grill food today. So this is how we're gonna do it, just like this. I had some tri-tip saute up during the night and everything. Sorry I didn't show you what all I put on the tri-tip, but I use a little Coca-Cola, a little brown sugar, a little chopped up garlic, and everything. Let it soak overnight, and I'll be throwing it right on this grill. I'll be right back to let you know what I'm putting on this grill. Okay, we're gonna put this tri-tip on here. As you see, like I say, and sauteing overnight and everything. It's looking nice and good, healthy there and everything. It's looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit that on just like this. I'm gonna just get some of this garlic and put all over it and everything out this pan. That's chopped up. Get that seasoning real nice and good. This right here gonna be so delicious. You know, Mr. Belle do it. Mr. Belle try to do it the right way and the best way. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit this top down. I'm gonna just let this cook for a while. Cook, toast these bits just a little, and now I'm just gonna. As you see, I was saying before my camera fell and everything. Mr. Belle don't leave nothing out the video. The camera fell. Forgive me. And I had a regular hot dogs, as I was saying, and the beef hot dogs looking nice and good. And I also have some Filipino hot dogs and everything. So we're gonna cook all this up together and it's gonna be delicious. Smell, can you see me?
Huh?
And we're gonna do all this together.
Just zoom in. When you edit, just zoom in. But the angle looks good.
Okay, my eggplant looks like it's nice and done and everything. It's grilled enough and everything. I'm gonna take these off, and I'm gonna just flip these hot dogs over and everything just like this. Just flip them. Everything gonna be nice and delicious and everything. I'm gonna just pause this. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just flip these right quick over like this. Make sure these hot dogs is cooking nice and good. Nice flip on them. See, it's getting hot out here too. Oh yeah. We're gonna enjoy these. Flip it over. Just like this. Now I'm gonna flip this tri-tip over one time to see what it looks like on the back side. So I'm gonna put it back on the side. Looking good and everything. As you see, I put the tri-tip down here. One side is cooked nice and good and everything. I'm gonna try to get this back side like that so it get nice and tender. The hot dogs looking good and everything. They just about done. I'm gonna take them off and everything. This is right here. It's gonna be delicious. You know, it's looking good. Put that top down. I'm gonna let that cook. I'm gonna raise this up now. Look at these hot dogs. Take these hot dogs off. Like you see, take them off. Nice and good. Oh yeah, that's good. Nice and good. These right here gonna be finger looking good. You see how I sliced them up on the side and everything before I put them on? Nice and good. Yeah, nice. Even my beef, I just slice it up on the side. Take these on. Take them on. Now you know Mr. Belle know how to do it. This right here is gonna be delicious. Turn this tri-tip over. Oh yeah. Let that baby cook nice and good and everything. Good. Gonna set that top down. And I'm gonna let that cook a few more minutes and everything. Now you know Mr. Belle just don't cook in the pot. Actually, Mr. Belle cook outside. Mr. Belle cook on the stove, in the oven. Mr. Belle cook everywhere. So I just want to let you know before I raise this top up and you're gonna get a bunch of smoke. We're gonna flip this over like this. Oh yeah, let that baby cook nice and good. Stick that in there so you get that inside too. You want to just stick it in there. This right here gonna be tender and nice and good because we soaked this overnight. This right here, we slice this up, gonna be nice. Yeah, good. It's hot. As you see, it's looking good. Nice, try and chip. Okay, I finished the tri-tip and everything. As you see, looking good. We also did a little eggplant right here, looking good. And our hot dogs, little lupine, and little rice and corn. This right here is cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.